As Dr. Jingan has earlier said that the onslaught of diabetes really involves multifactorial, multiple factors. It's not only hyperglycemia or the control of sugar only which matters. So the moment severity increases, can you throw some light on what COVID does on other systems in the body, particularly acting on beta cells directly or immunity cell like CD3, CD4 and all other whatever you can throw light on that which breaks the immune system of the person and goes into inflammatory responses and all. Please tell us.
So first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Jitendra and Hill Foundation for inviting me. So as told by Doctor in previous discussions that there is a ACE receptor is there where this COVID virus binds to the beta cells which secrete insulin in the pancreas, and somehow it has a determinant effect over the beta cells leading to decreased secretion of insulin. So this is one postulated mechanism by which has been seen that why the diabetes get worsened in patients who get the COVID infection. The other thing is, of course, there is increase in inflammatory markers leading to increase in insulin resistance. So these two mechanisms, decrease in insulin secretion and increasing insulin resistance, these are the two things which leads to increase in the sugars. Those patients who are having moderate to severe infections, so mostly in mild cases where the inflammatory response is less, there we are seeing less of increased blood sugars, but in moderate to severe infection, sugar increase are much higher. And what we say about, if we talk about this immune mechanism, so how this immune mechanism works in the COVID-19 infection and why there is inflammatory markers are there. So I would say this we have to understand from the basic immunity mechanism that there is an innate immunity. So this is a basic immunity in our body, where being the macrophages. So macrophages are the first soldiers which act against any of the pathogen, any of the bacteria or any of the viruses. Now these macrophages, they release pro-inflammatory markers, like you have seen the cytokine storm. So cytokine storm, they release interleukin-1, they release TNF-alpha, interleukin-6. So these are the some acute phase reactants which they inhibits the lymphocytes. So lymphocytes are the cells which basically they helps in destroying the this COVID.